Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Word file where you want to share a link. If the file is on OneDrive or SharePoint, open it in Word Online or select it in the web interface. This gives immediate sharing controls. Once done, set the permission level you need, view only, edit, or a time-limited link, because this choice determines who can access the file and why. Make sure you're signed into the correct account so the link points to the right location and access rules. Next, click Share or Get Link to generate the URL. You'll see options like anyone, people in your organization, specific people, or use an existing access link. Choose the option that matches your security needs. Then toggle Edit versus View so recipients can only do what you intend. If necessary, add an expiration date or password for tighter control. This step creates a link that references the hosted file so edits sync. Selecting the right options prevents accidental oversharing. Finally, click Copy Link to copy the shareable URL to your clipboard, then paste it into an email, chat, or calendar invite. Once pasted, test the link in an incognito window or ask a colleague to confirm access. This verifies the permission settings you chose. If someone cannot open it, return to the file's share settings and change the link type or add the person explicitly. One quick troubleshooting tip. If permissions look correct but access fails, sign out and back in to refresh cached permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.